Just a minute. सो हेलो एवरीवन, मैं यहाँ पे अभी इन मॉल आया था कोलालमपुर के, एंड यहाँ पे एक रेजिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट दिखा था मेरे को, एंड इन्होंने ऐसे मेरे को पैम्पलेट्स भी हैंड आउट किए थे, और ये 180,000 रिंगिट से शुरू है, एंड यहाँ पे सॉरी, योर नेम इज़ Ken.
Yeah.
तो Ken है मेरे साथ, and Ken is actually representing this property. And Ken, would you like to tell us more about this property actually?
Yeah, sure. So basically, this is a foreigners friendly project. So we particularly market this project to foreigners, and foreigners can just own this for about 750,000 because developer will give you a special kind of rebate. Yeah.
Wow. And what is the name of the builder? Which builder is this?
So this developer is a joint venture with the government. So it's joint venture with the KWSP pension fund, which is the Malaysian pension fund, and it's also a well-known developer, Eco World, and UDA Land.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. As we were discussing, Ken, for example, I being a foreign national, how can someone actually be eligible to apply or maybe purchase one of these properties, and how can one utilize it for their use if they do not want to stay and use it for a commercial purpose?
So basically, foreigners can buy property in Malaysia relatively easy, but the threshold being $1 million. So foreigners can buy a property that's $1 million and above.
Okay.
But because the developer is giving you a rebate, so you can actually purchase it for a little less than that. Yeah.
Wow. And what was the regarding the visa you were telling me, that if one has to purchase a property in Malaysia, so what kind of visa does one require, and what are the other paperwork that you would be requiring, and what happens, for example, somebody wants to apply for a loan, so do they have to apply for a loan from their own country, or does Malaysia facilitates that also?
So for purchasing a property in Malaysia, you don't really need a visa, but by buying a property, you can actually apply for the MM2H visa, which is a long-term visa for foreigners to come to Malaysia.
Okay.
So the MM2H you can apply for either 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years.
Okay, it's a lease basically.
Yeah, basically it's a long-term visa, and then
Saying that if somebody wants to apply for a loan, so how does it work? How does the if somebody has to apply from their country, or does Malaysia facilitates the loan facility as well?
So Malaysia, we do provide loan facilities, but you need to have a proven income in Malaysia. So it will make it easier for you to get a loan. But if your only source of income is from out of Malaysia, then it depends on the bank's discretion, really. But it's not impossible. It's just depending on your situation. Yeah.
Okay, and out of these projects, which were the ones which are open for leasing, which are the ones you are selling, and which one are the ones which are almost ready, or which are right now under progress?
So
or under construction?
Under progress is our future hotel development right here.
Okay.
So Lucentia is basically this 2 building right here, which is already 100% sold.
Okay.
Yeah, the service apartment is still under construction. This Mitsui Service Suite is already completed. It's under leasing right now. So the office tower is currently under development still. So this is our project right here, which is Swing House. And this building here, we will also be we're still in under development right now. Will be completed soon.
And this is going to be situated in Bukit Bintang Center, right? City Center.
So this project is basically situated next to Berjaya Times Square. It's just a street across Bukit Bintang. Yeah, Jalan Bukit Bintang.
I see. Super. So thank you so much for all the information, Ken.
Yep, thanks, no problem.
And ये है Ken. अगर आपको if you have interest in buying properties or leasing properties here, and you can always contact them. And this is the contact number.
Yeah, you can contact this number as well. Yeah.
तो आप इस नंबर को भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, right? And in case you are interested in investing in property in real estate here in Kuala Lumpur, then feel free to get in touch with Propnex. Propnex. So name of the developer is Propnex. तो आप इनको कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड रिगार्डिंग लोन इन्होंने ये बताया था कि इट एंटायरली डिपेंड्स अपॉन कि अगर मलेशियन आपके कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं आपके बैंक्स के साथ तब तो ठीक है. अदरवाइज़ ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको अपनी कंट्री के बैंक्स को बात करके एक LOU साइन करना पड़े एंड उसके बाद आप वहाँ से फंड्स ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं. एंड यू सेड द लीज टाइमलाइन is there a lease timeline also?
You mean the land lease?
Yeah, land lease.
So basically, it's a 99 years lease from the government.
Okay.
So from the day the lease has been commenced, so right now it's left 82 years.
82 years. Okay. So 82 years की लीज़ है अभी लैंड की. डिपेंड्स एक्सटेंड हो भी सकती है घट भी सकती है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. बट ठीक है, आप ज़रूर कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिएगा. राइट एंड बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू सो मच कैन.
Thank you. No problem.
We'll meet you later.
Yeah.
Okay. That was it. That is a small project which I wanted to show you guys and just came across it and जैसे मैंने आपको नंबर दिया है आप इस नंबर पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच एंड टेक केयर.